Thank you for the opportunity to discuss cabinetry with you. My name is Ed Pedalino, owner of Cabinets of the Desert. Many of our clients come through our door and the first question or statement they make is, I don't know where to start. I don't know what questions to ask. We are introducing a Know Before You Go series. This series is based on 4 components. 1, box construction, 2, door styles, 3, door finishes, and 4, materials. When you're buying a cabinet, oftentimes people ask me, well, what are the components? The manufacturer considers any of these elements a box. When we receive the order from our manufacturers, the entire box comes assembled, as opposed to what's called RTA, or ready to assemble product. What is the box made out of? The box is made out of sides, back, bottom, and toe kick, as you see underneath. It can come in 3/4 inch material, or it can come in 5/8 inch material, which I'll show you a little bit later. The sides and the back can be made out of industrial particle board, and I say industrial for a reason because it's a hardy product, or plywood. The plywood product is a good 15% more in cost. Also, when it comes to the box construction, I particularly want to mention that you should be getting a 5/8 or a 3/4 inch outer box construction, as opposed to a 1/2 inch or less. You'll find the boxes are much more sturdy and will stay in square. Cabinets we described were initially base cabinets. They would end up being 36 inches in height, which is the standard kitchen height for cooking. Over here we have our upper cabinets. Typically there's an 18-inch separation from the bottom of the upper cabinet to the top of the countertop. Upper cabinets, as you can see, can consist of a lift-up type cabinet or just strictly opening like so. Two types of hardware on the interior of a cabinet box: the hinges and the Undermount Glide Systems for the drawers. The hinges are important because we sell only soft close hardware, as you can see here. Also, these have adjustments, so when you're initially installed, to make sure that all the doors are square, we have the ability to do so. And if over time they need adjustment, you can adjust them as well. The other part of the critical nature of a quality cabinet is the Undermount Glide System. You'll see here these glides. You'll notice that they're fixed in 2 points, both at the bottom of the cabinet, the drawer, as well as the side, as opposed to side-mounted wiggly drawers. Let's talk a little bit about drawers. Our market seems to enjoy having dovetail drawers, and let me show you what that means. You'll see that it's cut into the side of the drawer box. This one happens to be a 1/2 inch drawer box with the dovetail. This one is a 5/8 inch drawer box in thickness with the dovetail. And you'll notice that underneath There are clips that attach to the glide system, which I'll show you in a minute, and a hole cut in the back so that the glide engages in a square manner. I will take this drawer out to demonstrate. Again, here are those holes, and you'll see at the back of the glide. Again, undermount glides mounted both at the bottom and on the side for stability. An important feature. Besides the dovetail drawer, you can also get what's referred to as a butt jointed drawer. It's still very durable, it's just a different look, and it tends to be less costly. Also, the more contemporary drawers tend to be metal, and I'll demonstrate right here. Here's a metal drawer here. This is referred to as a Legra drawer box made by Blum, a very reputable drawer manufacturer and hinge manufacturer as well. Thank you very much for joining us. I hope this has been of help to you. We welcome you to visit our beautiful showroom and answer any other questions you may have.